Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Apple Pay not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First is that check your internet connection. Apple Pay needs Wi-Fi or mobile data to work. Make sure your card is added correctly in the wallet app. Remove and re-add it if needed. Then, check the Apple Pay is supported by your bank and region. And after that, ensure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS. Then go to Settings, then go to General, and go to Software Update. And after that, restart your iPhone, and sometimes a simple reboot fixes Apple Pay issues. Make sure that region in Settings, then General, then Language region matches the country of your card. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.